I am asking that if the government provides such kind of facilities and achievement to the people, so will you support to the lockdown or not? Please, yes or not?
I have answer for you. Government will never provide food to us. Since what I would like to demonstrate this one topic, the topic has been provided to us. According to me, lockdown should not be applied in India. This time, we are not called the developed country. We are undeveloped country. In our India, many destitute and many poor families are surviving. If lockdown would be applied, so where will they earn money? This is the biggest question. As you have told, China, Beijing, and many Asia's countries have applied the lockdown. So what has been gotten by them? They are called the developed countries. They have the many capacity and they have the pressure for feeding their citizens. But we don't have the pressures. We don't have the basic units and alternatives for feeding our citizens. So when will our country earn money? From where will our country earn money? With the help of citizens, with the help of GDP, with the help of tax. If the lockdown would be applied, so India's population, not only India's population, but also India's economy would also be affected just because of lockdown, just because of this one rubbish rule. According to me,
Stop.
That lockdown should be applied or not. According to my knowledge, lockdown shouldn't be applied in this India, because you know that about the many type of resource to apply the lockdown in this India. But many people, the people are called penurious, the people are called very poor. Having seen those people, lockdown shouldn't be applied in this India, because many people were having to face problem in the previous time. I'm talking about the when lockdown has been applied, and now I'm talking about the when lockdown would be applied in the little street. As you all know about the Delhi in the Delhi's area, college and hospital and beauty parlors, those all shops have been closed. But you know that the many people have some resource to earn big bucks, and many people have a resource to earn money for looking after their parents, for looking after their family. And from where will earn money? When our government will apply the lockdown in this India?
Today I must speak about a very interesting and exotic topic, that is government should apply the lockdown and encompass it in our country or not. So it is very exotic as well as administrative topic that government should apply the lockdown in our country India, because there's a lot of benefits of the lockdown in our country India. We have seen that in the previous time when the lockdown was applied in our country India. So not only in our country India, but also in many other countries like China, America, and Africa, many other countries had controlled the population, controlled the coronavirus cases in their countries. So they were seeing some benefits of the lockdown in many other countries. And I'm going to tell you that if the lockdown is gonna be applied in our country India, so that should be applied in our country India with some restrictions and with some provisions, namely that if the government provides some food to the families as well as destitute.
Stop.
About very interesting topic. My topic is that lockdown should be applied now time or not. Do you know about the now time? All people know about the Omicron. Omicron is increasing day by day in all over the world. And not only in all over the India, but also in all our the other countries. Do you know about now time? All government is saying that lockdown will apply. Why will lockdown apply? Because now time Omicron is increasing day by day in all over the world. So therefore government lockdown should be applied by the government. Because now time if government apply the lockdown, so definitely people will save and people will live safe. Do you know about in the past time, lockdown time, people as passionate people did not accept the lockdown, and as passionate people did not accept the for not rooming hither and thither.
Clap.
As you know, my dear friend, this time how is the condition of our country? This time, many people are having to face many problems in their life just because of lockdown. We are not supposed to apply the lockdown. If lockdown would be applied, so how will our citizens survive in their life? According to me, we should follow the rules. We should follow the rules by which we could save our body. We could save our all family members. This is the rule.
Mr. Akbar, if the government will provide the food to the poorest as well as destitute people, so will you support the lockdown or not?
Listen, I have an answer for you.
Yes, sir.
Where from will our government provide us food?
If the government, I am using the if the government will provide the food to the people, to the destitute as well as poorest people, so will you support the lockdown or not?
Government will
Please
never
answer.
or
Yes or not? Yes or not?
I don't have answer for giving you, but I have my answer for giving you.
What is your
Listen,
answer?
Listen,
I'm just asking that.
government will never provide
Why?
food to us.
Why?
Because-
if the government, because the government understands the condition, the previous people, the government understand all the condition, all the situations people are facing in the previous time.
Listen.
Why?
This time, what is the condition of our country?
The coronavirus cases as well as Omicron cases are being
You are not
increased.
listening.
This
You
is
are
the
not
condition.
letting me speak. You are not letting me speak.
I'm letting you speak.
This time, where from will our government earn money? Our government earns
Have you
money
seen the
just
destiny?
because of
Have you seen the destiny of the government? Will the government provide or
where
not?
from will our government maintain the
Haven't you seen Kejriwal had provided in the previous time lots of food to the people in the restaurant.
Where from does Kejriwal earn money?
The Kejriwal had provided a lot of food as well as lots of water to the
Listen, where
people.
from does Kejriwal earn money? Kejriwal earns money just because of
From
citizens.
tax.
Of course,
Yes.
from tax. So
Yes, this is
where
coming
from-
of the money from the
listen,
tax.
Where from is tax taken? With the help of
Definitely
citizen.
through the citizens.
Of course.
But what is the matter?
Kejriwal earn money. Kejriwal earns money just because of
From
citizens.
tax.
Of course,
Yes.
from tax. So
Yes, this is coming of the money from the tax.
Where from is tax taken? With the help of
Definitely
citizen.
through the citizens.
Of course.
But what is the matter?
Samriddhi, as you have spoken very well, I appreciate you. But somewhere or other you are wrong, and you are wrong. Because you know that about the government whenever we come in slum areas to provide the food, to provide the money. I'm going to tell and I'm going to call spade, whatever I want to say in front of you. Not only in front of you, but also the people are watching this video for them. You know that about the firstly, government never will come here for providing the food between us. He'll give money, his officers. Then their officers will give money, their little officers. When those money will come in front of us, those foods will come in front of us. When we leave, when we take. So you know that about the now time, all officers. I can't say that all officers, but some officers are at that thing.
Mr. Mehraj, there is a question that is important that is going to be asked to you. That you please tell me what would happen if you are going to be given the opportunity to be a president, to be a prime minister of our country, India. So how will you run our country, India? Please
I will
tell
answer
me.
for you. If I'll be the prime minister of the India,
Yes.
so definitely I'll pick up those people. The people are including in the Omicron, in a coronavirus. The people are positive in a Omicron. I'll pick up those people and I'll enroll those names in hospitals for treatment. Not I'll give all
How
the people.
would you get the name of those people? Because you do not go.
I'm a
to the
prime minister.
areas.
I'm a prime
You do
minister
not
of the India.
Now,
I do something.
sometimes we were saying that the prime minister doesn't go to the slum areas to each and every place. Now you are telling your point.
I haven't given you the example of the officers. So definitely I'll call somewhere or the other who the people are in under me. So I'll call them and then search the people, and the people are in hospitals. The people are positive.
Same
so
condition,
definitely,
same
so
condition.
definitely
It's gonna be applied.
So those
Same
people,
condition is
those
gonna be
people
applied.
will be treatment. Those people would get treatment.
Okay, same condition is gonna be applied if the government is gonna be apply the lockdown in our country India. So same condition is gonna be applied. They will search those people who are hungry, who are feeling the munchy as well as appetite. So they will provide the food to those people as well as they will send the money in their account. So what is the problem in this matter?
Might get opportunity to speak in front of you.
Okay, you are free. You can speak whatever you want.
Just listen carefully what I'm trying to speak in front of you. You know that about the people are sitting here. Just count me even a single person who are positive in the coronavirus in Omicron. Count
I don't know. I haven't seen.
You don't know.
I
You haven't seen.
Okay.
So just think that the people are including in Omicron and coronavirus, so they get punishment and they get treatment. So why do you need to get treatment? Why do you need to face a lot of problem
Clap.
from the